Effective lesson planning for primary and high school teachers. Good morning and welcome to our seminar on effective lesson planning for primary and high school teachers. My name is Mr. Hygienist and I will be your presenter for today's session. Effective lesson planning is crucial for every teacher to ensure that students receive a quality education that meets their learning needs. It helps teachers to focus on specific learning objectives, align the curriculum standards, and provide clear and concise instructions to their students. Throughout this seminar, we will discuss the importance of effective lesson planning, various strategies for designing an effective lesson plan, classroom management strategies, and different types of assessments that you can use to evaluate student learning. By the end of this seminar, you will be able to 1. Understand the learning goals and align them with curriculum standards. 2. Design effective lesson plans using various strategies. 3. Implement classroom management strategies to create a positive and inclusive classroom environment. 4. Evaluate student learning using different types of assessments. 5. Reflect and revise lesson plans to improve teaching and learning. This seminar is designed to help you enhance your skills as a teacher, and I am excited to be a part of this learning journey with you. I hope that this seminar will be an opportunity for you to learn, grow, and share your experiences with fellow educators. Thank you for joining me today, and let's get started. Understanding the learning goals and how to align them with the curriculum standards. As a teacher, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the learning objectives and outcomes of each lesson you teach. The learning objectives should be specific, measurable, and aligned with the curriculum standards. It helps teachers to focus on what students should learn and how they will demonstrate their understanding of the topic. To align the lesson objectives with the curriculum standards, you should first identify the relevant standards and determine how they relate to the learning objectives. By doing so, you can ensure that the lesson plan meets the required criteria and that students are well prepared to achieve their goals. It is also essential to differentiate instruction based on the learning needs of individual students. Every student has different strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles. Teachers should create lesson plans that accommodate the different learning needs of each student. For instance, you can differentiate instruction by providing different reading materials for students with different reading levels or by allowing students to work on different assignments based on their interests. This will help you to create a more inclusive classroom environment and enable each student to reach their full potential. In summary, understanding the learning goals, aligning them with the curriculum standards, and differentiating instruction are all important aspects of effective lesson planning. By doing so, you can ensure that your students are well prepared to achieve their learning objectives and reach their full potential. Different elements of a well-designed lesson plan, the different types of lesson plans, and some tips for creating engaging and interactive lesson plans. A well-designed lesson plan should have the following elements. 1. Learning objectives, clearly defined learning objectives that align with the curriculum standards. 2. Assessment, assessments that align with the learning objectives and help to determine if students have achieved their goals. 3. Introduction, a brief introduction that grabs the attention of students and provides an overview of what will be covered in the lesson. 4. Instruction, detailed instructions that provide clear and concise explanations of the material being covered. 5. Activities, engaging and interactive activities that help students to apply what they have learned. 6. Closure, a summary of the lesson that reinforces the learning objectives and helps students to make connections with their previous knowledge. There are different types of lesson plans, including traditional lesson plans, flipped lesson plans, and project-based lesson plans. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages, and teachers can choose the type that best suits their teaching style and the needs of their students. To create engaging and interactive lesson plans, teachers should consider the following tips. 1. Use multimedia, incorporate videos, images, and other multimedia materials to create a more engaging and interactive learning experience. 2. Collaborate with students, allow students to work in groups and collaborate with each other to solve problems and complete tasks. 3. Use technology, incorporate technology tools such as interactive whiteboards, tablets, and educational software to create a more interactive learning experience. 4. Provide feedback, provide students with regular feedback on their progress and performance to help them improve and stay motivated. In summary, designing effective lesson plans is crucial for ensuring that students receive a quality education. A well-designed lesson plan should include clear learning objectives, assessments, engaging activities, and a summary of the lesson. By using multimedia, collaborating with students, using technology, and providing feedback, teachers can create engaging and interactive lesson plans that help students to achieve their learning objectives. Strategies for effective classroom management, including creating a positive and inclusive classroom environment, strategies for managing student behavior, and using technology to enhance learning. Creating a positive and inclusive classroom environment is crucial for effective classroom management. Students need to feel safe, valued, and respected in the classroom. To create such an environment, teachers can use various strategies, such as 1. Establishing classroom rules. Establish clear and concise rules for the classroom and ensure that they are enforced consistently. 2. Encouraging positive behavior. Praise and reward students for positive behavior, and provide constructive feedback to help them improve. 3. Building relationships. Get to know your students and build positive relationships with them to create a sense of community in the classroom. 4. Celebrating diversity. Embrace diversity in the classroom and create an inclusive environment that celebrates the differences among students. Kindly like and subscribe to this video. Your comments will be well appreciated.